Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alfiana Aifa. I'm from Accounting Education Program Study, State University of Jakarta. Today I will present my proposal seminar entitled The Effect of Good Corporate Governance and Corporate Social Responsibility on Financial Performance of Companies in the Financial Sector. Study on financial sector companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange 2020 until 2021. This is Supervisor 1, the A, Sri Zulaihati MSI. This is Supervisor 2, Hati Sumiati SPD MSI. Table of content, Chapter 1, Introduction, consists of research background, formulation of the problem, research purpose, research novelty. Chapter 2, Literature review, consists of theoretic background, previous research, theoretical frameworks, and hypothesis. Chapter 3, Research methodology, consists of research time and place, research methods, population and sample, data collection technique, data analysis techniques. Chapter 1, Introduction, Research background. In the current era of globalization, the demand faced by business sectors are increasingly high, thus demanding business sector to increase their creativity and productivity. Competition is also unavoidable. This is evidenced by the increasing number of companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange (ADX), so that existing companies must be smart in managing their business for future sustainability. Business actors must have a goal to improve the welfare of their owners and investors who invest their capital in the business. Welfare can be improved through good company performance, one of which is financial performance. Good financial performance can maximize the profit earned. To see the purpose of good corporate governance of the company, listed companies must issue financial reports and annual reports to the Indonesia Stock Exchange, which in the company's annual report must include good corporate governance and corporate social responsibility. The implementation of good corporate governance in Indonesia is still not good. This can be seen from the research result of the Asian Corporate Governance Association (ACGA). Based on the research result of the Asian Corporate Governance Association (ACGA) in 2018 and 2020, Indonesia always ranked last in the implementation of corporate governance among 12 countries, namely Australia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Taiwan, Thailand, India, Japan, Korea, China, and the Philippines. Can be seen in the table beside in 2018, Indonesia got 34%, and in 2020, Indonesia got 33.6%. In addition, talking about good corporate governance certainly cannot be separated from corporate social responsibility. GCG and CSR have the same goal, namely to improve financial performance, which means that the better the implementation of good corporate governance, the better the CSR and financial performance of a company. If implemented properly, the good corporate governance system will effectively protect shareholder and creditor, thereby instilling the confidence of these parties in their investment in the company. Smawati 2016. Formulation of the problem. 1. Is there an influence of the board of directors on financial performance as proxied by return on asset? 2. Is there an influence of the board of commissioner on financial performance as proxied by return on asset? 3. Is there an influence of the audit committee on financial performance as proxied by return on asset? 4. Is there any influence of corporate social responsibility on financial performance? 5. Is there any influence of TCG, Board of Director, Board of Commissioner, Audit Committee, and Corporate Social Responsibility on financial performance? Research purpose to find out whether there is influence between the Board of Directors on financial performance. 2. To find out whether there is an influence between the Board of Commissioners on financial performance. 3. To find out whether there is an influence between the Audit Committee on financial performance. 4. To find out whether there is influence between corporate social responsibility on finance performance. 5. To find out whether there is an influence between TCG, Board of Directors, Board of Commissioner, Audit Committee, and Corporate Social Responsibility and Financial Performance. Research novelty. The first novelty is the indicator used by this research, namely the good corporate governance indicator, which is proxied by the size of the board of directors, the size of the board of commissioners, and the size of the audit committee. The second novelty is the corporate social responsibility indicator as measuring by the Corporate Social Responsibility Disclosure Index, which refers to the sustainability report in accordance with the circular letter of the Financial Service Authority of the Republic of Indonesia number 16 /SAOJK.04/2021 concerning the form and content of the annual report of issuers or public companies 2021. Chapter 2 Literature Review. Cherry background. Financial performance definition according to Halford 1996. Company performance is the result of many individuals' decisions made continuously by management. Indicator, according to Kashmir 2012, states that in measuring the company's financial performance can be done using finance ratios and can be done with several financial ratios. Financial performance in the study was measured using ROA, return on asset. Good corporate governance consists of board of directors, variable X1. Definition according to law number 40 of 2007 concerning limited liability companies, FND. 2016 is a company organ that is authorized and fully responsible for the management of the company for the benefit of the company in accordance with the aims and objectives of the company and represent the company both inside and outside court in accordance with the provisions on the Article of Association. Indicator: the board of director is measured by the number of members of the board of directors in a company, which is formulated as follows: board of directors equals number of members of the company's board of directors. Research: Rahmawati E, Rikumahu B, and Dilak FG 2070 dengan direksi, Dewan Komisaris, Komite Audit, dan Corporate Social Responsibility terhadap kinerja keuangan perusahaan. Variable X2 Board of Commissioners. Definition according to Zarkashi 2008, the Board of Commissioners is an organ of the company collectively has the duty and responsibility to supervise and provide advice to the Board of Directors and ensure that the company has implemented GCG. However, the Board of Commissioners might not participate in making operational decisions. Indicator: the Board of Commissioners is measured by the number of members of the Board of Commissioners in a company, which is formulated as follows: Board of Commissioners equals number of members of a company's Board of Commissioners. Same source as before. Variable X3 definition according to Decree of the Minister of Sus KEP 117 MMBU 2002 that July 31 2002 concerning the implementation of good corporate governance practice in state-owned enterprise BUMN 2002. The Audit Committee is tasked with assisting the Commissioner Supervisory Board in ensuring the effectiveness of the internal control system and the effectiveness of the implementation of the duties of external auditors and internal auditors. Indicator: the audit committee is calculated using the number of audit committee members, which can be formulated as follows: Adhikari and Mitra 2016. Audit committee equals number of members of the audit committee. Corporate social responsibility X4. Definition according to Bowen 1653. Corporate social responsibility refers to the obligation of entrepreneurs to make policies and decisions or to follow the desired line of action that leads to goals that are in accordance with the values of society. indicator measured using the Corporate Social Responsibility Disclosure Index based on circular letter of the Financial Service Authority of the Republic of Indonesia number 16 SAOGK .04 2021 concerning the form and content of the annual report of issuers or public companies 2021. The formula is CSRDAG equals simulation XAG divided by NG. Previous research 1. Adinda Novitasari 2019 with research the influence of good corporate governance on corporate financial performance with corporate social responsibility as moderating variable in banking companies in Indonesia. 2. Maila Hadian 2021 with the research the influence of the good corporate governance on the financial performance of banking companies. 3. Antin Marika and Kristiana Himati 2021 with their research the influence of good corporate governance on the financial performance of banking companies for the 2017 until 2020 period. For Adinda Sumakuntum Jasana and Nurlaili 2020 with their research the influence of good corporate governance and corporate social responsibility of financial firms in food and beverage companies for the 2013 until 2018 period. 5. Rela Gantino 2016 with research the influence of corporate social responsibility on the financial performance of manufacturing companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange for the period 2008 until 2014. 6. Audita Setiawan 2016 with research the influence of corporate governance on corporate financial performance. 7. Eva Satyarini Damanik and Yulia Istianingsi 2019 with the research the influence of corporate governance on company performance based on the CGPA survey period 2014 until 2017. 8. Sofianti Baharudin 2022 with the research the influence of good corporate governance on financial performance in manufacturing companies for the 2016 until 2020 period. 9. Santi Larasati Kartika Hindra Titisari Siti Nurlaila 2017 with the research the influence of good corporate governance and corporate social responsibility on the financial performance of manufacturing companies listed on the IDX for the period 2009 until 2015. 10. Novita Sarimalau, Hirotugiman, and Edi Budiono 2018 with their research in the influence of good corporate governance and corporate social responsibility on financial performance in 2016. 11. Rodiani Cahyaningsi and Dian Retnaningdia 2021 with their research the influence of good corporate governance and corporate social responsibility on financial performance on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. 12. Inga Anditya Rahmawati Bradirikumahu via Julian Nadila, 2017. With the research, the influence of the Board of Directors, Board of Commissioners, Audit Committee, and Corporate Social Responsibility on companies' financial performance. Theoretical framework. Board of Directors to financial performance. The Board of Directors is tasked with supervising and making decisions as well as being responsible for the company. A good form of monitoring the company's performance can be seen from the large number of members of the Board of Directors in the company. Hisamuddin and K. 2012. The more The more members of the board of directors, the better the network with parties outside the company. This will make the company's financial performance will get better. Board of Commissioners to financial performance. Board of Commissioners function to supervise and provide input to the company's board of directors. FND 2016. The number of commissioners is large, the company will be more supervised and can minimize fraud in the company so as to make the company's financial performance increase. Rahmawati et al. 2017. Audit Committee to Financial Performance. The Audit Committee is responsible to the Board of Commissioners whose members are appointed and dismissed by the Board of Commissioners. Jaja and Macfero, 2011. That way, the more members of the Audit Committee who assist the Board of Commissioners, the better the supervision will be, and it is hoped that it can minimize management effort to manipulate data problems related to finance and accounting procedures so that the company's financial performance will increase. Corporate social responsibility to financial performance. Corporate social responsibility is becoming an increasingly important issue for economic actors because of the new attention to all aspects of company activities and their relationship with stakeholders. Through a legitimacy theory, companies that carry out CSR have more roles increasing legitimacy, which will affect consumer toward company products. Crowder and Aras, 2008. This will affect consumer attitudes toward the company's product, which have an impact on increasing company profits in the company's financial statement. Good corporate governance is processed by the Board of Directors, Board of Commissioners, Audit Committee, and Corporate Social Responsibility to financial performance, according to Newell and Wilson in Sabrina 2010 in an article entitled A Premium for Good Corporate, which states that theoretically the practice of good corporate governance can improve financial performance. In addition, the implementation of GCG in the company is important to maintain sustainability and prioritize the interests of stakeholders. Meanwhile, CSR in activity organized by a company to improve the level of community welfare outside of the company's main activities. GCG and CSR have the same goals, namely to optimize the value of the company in financial performance for shareholders who still pay attention to other stakeholders. Sarkashi, 2008. Research hypothesis 1. There is an influence of the board of directors on the company's financial performance. 2. There is an influence of the board of commissioner on the company's financial performance. 3. There is an influence of the audit committee on the company's financial performance. 4. There is an influence of corporate social responsibility on the company's financial performance. 5. There is an influence of GCG, which is proceeded by the board of directors, board of commissioners, audit committee, and corporate social responsibility on the company financial performance. Chapter 3, Research Methods. Research time and place. The time of the research begins 2022. The place of research is the Indonesian Stock Exchange website. Research methods. This study is quantitative research methods. The type of research used in this research is associative research with a quantitative approach. Data collection technique. Collection data in this study using the literature study method. Secondary data is obtained from IDX web and company website. Population. The population of this study is the financial sector companies on the Indonesia Stock Exchange in the period 2020 to 2021 as many as 105 companies. Sample. The sampling technique in this research was a purpose sampling technique with criteria 1. Companies that do not publish financial report and sustainability report for 2020 until 2021. 2. Companies that do not make a profit. Data analysis technique consists of multiple regression analysis, descriptive statistical analysis, classic assumption test, consists of normality test, multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, autocorrelation test. Hypothesis testing consists of F-test, G-test, multiple correlation analysis test, coefficient of determination analysis test. This is the end of my presentation. Assalamualaikum.